Amid COVID-19 pandemic, the centre released Unlock 4 guidelines, allowing significant relaxation. Several states have started coming up with their own set of rules. We have a report on how the northeastern states are gearing up under the new guidelines.
Following the announcement of a fresh set of guidelines by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs for Unlock 4.0 that commenced on September 1, most of the states further eased the coronavirus-induced restrictions on the movement of people and functioning of commercial establishments with mandatory COVID-19 precautions. Under the new guidelines, social gatherings up to 100 people with social distancing, open-air theatres are allowed. Schools, colleges and other institutions, cinema halls, swimming pools, theatres and similar places will remain shut till September 30. In Manipur, people were seen thronging the shops and market areas in Thangal Bazar. After the relaxation, the state is witnessing an increase in the volume of vehicles on the roads.
Since Thangal Bazar is one of the main market for the wholesale market, every district, every part of the Manipur come to purchase their this essential items and other items from here. And since most of the other entries are locked, the entry point where we are standing, the Gandhi Avenue entry, has been really busy.
The state government has relaxed the lockdown, so all the peoples of Manipur will be very happy.
In Meghalaya, all entry posts have been closed till 31st of August after a sudden spike in the number of coronavirus cases. Health officials are also conducting round-the-clock RT-PCR tests apart from checking documents before allowing anyone to enter. Police personnel were also seen on the job to check any illegal entry. The government has decided to close all entry points to Meghalaya for 1 week every month starting this month. In Arunachal Pradesh, which saw the highest single-day spike of 157 cases early this week, taking its total past 4,000, locals have welcomed the move initiated by the centre.
नाइट कर्फ्यू को हटा दिया गया है और इंटर स्टेट जो ट्रैवलिंग है उसको इजी बना दिया है। एक प्रकार से वेलकम है, लेकिन अगर सोचा जाए तो कोरोना वायरस भी चीज़ है। हम लोग को अभी तक तो 6 मंथ्स ऑफ ये जो लॉकडाउन है, रिगरस लॉकडाउन 6 मंथ्स तक हुआ है देश भर में, उतना तक तो ये पब्लिक को भी अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए। देखा जाए तो काफ़ी वेलकमिंग स्टेप्स MHA ने इस बार लिया है 4.0 में।
We should learn how to survive with it, but then along with this we should also restrict ourselves from being in a crowd or crowd gathering or any type of I believe that if we self maintain ourselves, there's no need of any guidelines.
Meanwhile, Assam Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna recently notified that no more relaxations will be announced for the time being and the previous notification will remain in effect till September 4 midnight.
कोरोना देखिए अभी तो बीमारी दिन पर दिन बढ़ रहा है और जिस हिसाब से ये बढ़ रहा है उस हिसाब से तो थोड़ा चिंता का बात है। अब गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से जो पब्लिक अवेयरनेस के जो गवर्नमेंट का जो गाइडलाइन है, यदि हम लोग उसको जो फॉलो नहीं करेंगे तो ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत ही ख़राब है। तो इसलिए हम लोग के लिए ज़रूरी है गवर्नमेंट का जो भी नॉर्म्स वगैरह है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है, मास्क वगैरह पहनिए, सैनिटाइज करिए, खुद को भी थोड़ा दूर रखिए। तो दीज आर द प्रिकॉशंस हम लोग को ये लेना होगा।
सब लोगों को मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ, विनती करता हूँ, हम अपना सरकार का हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का जो भी गाइडलाइन है वो अच्छा से माने, नहीं तो दिक्कत होगा।
Sikkim government has also issued revised standard operating procedure for movement of people in the state amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The new SOP is expected to benefit the people.